Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to do a full review on the new Samsung Galaxy F22. If you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure to subscribe and leave a comment down below the video saying, "I subscribed," and we will try our best to reply to your comments. Samsung has launched Galaxy F22. Talking about the specifications. The Galaxy F22 features a 6.4-inch Super HD Plus, 1600 by 700 pixel AMOLED display with 90 Hz refresh rate and 20:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, it has MediaTek Helio G80 chipset, GPU Mali G52 Mach2. The smartphone packs with 4 or 6 GB of RAM and 64 or 128 GB of internal storage. Dual nano SIM card and micro SD expandable up to 1 TB. As for camera, the Galaxy F22 features a quad camera that includes a 48-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, plus 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens with 128-degree field of view, plus 2-megapixel macro lens with f2.4 aperture, with 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 13 megapixel at the top center with f2.2 aperture. The Galaxy F22 comes with 6000 mAh battery with up to 25 watts fast charging, but the user gets 15 watts charger. Inside the box, it has Android 11 with One UI 3.1. Furthermore, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it supports Samsung Pay Mini as well. For connectivity, it features 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack and a Type-C port. For dimensions, it has 159.9 by 74 by 93 millimeters and it weighs 203 grams. Now talking about the price, the Samsung Galaxy F22 4GB RAM plus 64 ROM has been priced in India at 12,499 rupees, approx $170 or 142 euros, while the 6GB RAM plus 128 ROM has been priced at 14,499 rupees, approx $195 or 165 euros. The Galaxy F22 will be available in black and blue color options. So what do you guys think about this Galaxy F22 smartphone? Let's comment in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.